Hi CCTV Security Group. Now we would like to introduce one of the best sellers of Tiandy Technology cameras, 4 megapixel color maker and turret. It's one of the best sellers and actually best in low light performance in the world. It's a 4 megapixel mini turret, and I believe that it's a very good option for residential and commercials too. And now I would like to show you unboxing of this camera. The price is very competitive. It's up to 30 to 40% lower than the other top brands. And Tiandy supports 2 years actually warranty and 24/7 tech support. This is the shape of this camera. This is the shape of this camera, and these are the warm lights that mostly use in pitch dark condition, and I believe that it can be a very good option for mostly residentials. And after my talking, you'll be see a sample video of this camera. Thank you.